Okay, YouTube, we are here today to pull the engine on the SR.
We are here.
It has the spun rod bearing, so the only way to make this happen, the right way, is to pull out the engine. And we're going to film this front to back. We got the other GoPro right here.
Say hi.
Say hi, GoPro. It's doing a time lapse, like every 5 seconds it's taking a picture. That's going to be running the whole time. Thinking it's going to take us about 2 hours. I mean, we're not going to try and kill ourselves, but I've pulled this thing out 10 times, probably, at least. So it shouldn't be that big a deal. But alright, here we go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start unbolting just the random stuff. You know, undo the intercooler piping, drain the radiator fluid, get that out. The wiring, get all the wiring on top of the engine and sitting there ready to go. Then we'll get up underneath the car and go from there. But for now, this step will just be getting all this stuff off and into the shed. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. Probably only been 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But so radiator's out, intercooler's out, everything's disconnected. Either side, all the wiring. Might not look like it, but it's undone. Wiring, fuel lines.
Your wires.
Maybe we'll do a wire tuck.
YouTube will find out.
So now we got to get up under it. Still have to unbolt exhaust, motor mounts, transmission mount, and the clutch slave cylinder. I think then hook up the engine crane and snatch it out. There we go.
Emerges from beneath the sand. Please don't take me, girl, seem so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's here.
Okay, so everything is unbolted except for the shifter. That's got to come out of the transmission, and that's it. We'll pull the engine crane out, hook it up, start snatching. Yep, I think that will do it. Water brake. Okay. He wasn't doing anything. So, yeah, we are about ready to snatch her out. Kind of looks like it wants to rain. That's really annoying. Yeah, although that might feel good. But there's a lot of sensitive electronics we don't want to get wet. So we're going to go ahead and start to pull it and see what happens. But I think it's time to hook it up and let it happen. Alright, so boom.
Boom.
Yes, sir. Woo! Scraped all the hell getting her out.
I think that was from getting her in.
Yeah, that too. Alright. She's heartless once again. Clutch is out. We're going to start unbolting the transmission. Then we can put the engine on here That's all we're going to do for today until we go buy the bearings. I don't want to pull that bottom end off without having the bearings and like being ready to go. So once we get it on the stand, we'll give you another peek at that. That'll probably be it for the day. Peace.
What's up, guys? We have a stripped flywheel bolt, so we are welding a nut onto the end of it to pry it off.
Yeah. Whew, just a little light.
I'm going on the other side of you. Hold on. Ready?
I think so.
Okay. Go ahead.
You got a little test pop. Nope.
Came off?
The welds didn't hold.
Dang. Back there and hold that chain. Oh, of course. We're gonna come out here and crank this up.
Yeah, let's give it a try. Nope. Feel it twisting right off. Seriously.
Oh, yeah, now it is.
Twisted the bolt. It didn't break the weld, it broke the bolt.
What, the bolt?
Yeah, because it's galvanized bolts. Needed like stainless carbon.
Go. Ow. Go. Oh, I actually felt pressure.
Got it!
Did you get it off?
Yeah.
Hey, I felt pressure on it this time. What was the difference between this bolt and the other ones?
I just welded it better this time.
One of the 3 times.
Wonder if I can reuse this one.
Oh, for sure, dude. Yeah, no, we got it off after 3 attempts. 3 different nuts being welded onto that, including a bolt. Yeah.
Because my welding sucks.
Now we're putting it on that engine mount and wheeling it in here.
I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's changed. I know the reason she's so far away.
Engine on the stand. Soon we will be flipping it over. I say soon. As soon as we buy the bearings, we'll be flipping it over, rebuilding the bottom end, and
Putting it back in.
yeah. I don't know. We're gonna wait and see how deep we get into it, though. It'd be nice to do just everything while it's open, but we'll see what time and money allows.
We're huddled in the shed because it decided to nicely rain on us.
Thank God it waited till we got the motor pulled.
Yeah.
That's it. We're done for the day.
Reason she's changed.